Selecting the right electrical drawing software involves understanding its capabilities and cost. When seeking recommendations, it's helpful to provide a concise summary of your needs within the initial post, especially when directing people to another forum for more details. This allows individuals to quickly grasp the context without needing to navigate elsewhere. Consider that a brief summary might say, "I'm looking for electrical drawing software for under $500. You can see the details in another forum." This approach is beneficial for time efficiency and encourages engagement. Furthermore, it's important to adhere to forum etiquette when seeking advice across multiple platforms. The preferred method is to post the complete question on one forum and then share links to that specific thread on other forums. This strategy consolidates the discussion, preventing fragmented conversations and minimizing redundant efforts from respondents. Imagine a scenario where advice is scattered across various forums. It makes it harder to follow and creates a lot of unnecessary work. When evaluating electrical drawing software within your budget, explore options that cater to floor plan creation and one-line diagram generation. Consider the following features when comparing software packages. Firstly, ease of use and intuitive interface. The software should be relatively easy to learn and use, even for those with limited CAD experience. Secondly, comprehensive symbol libraries. Ensure the software includes a wide range of electrical symbols and components for accurate representation. Thirdly, automated features. Look for features such as automatic wire numbering, circuit tracing, and fault current calculations to enhance efficiency. Fourthly, compatibility. Check if the software is compatible with industry standard file formats like DWGR, DXF for seamless collaboration. Fifthly, reporting and documentation. The software should generate detailed reports and documentation, including bill of materials, load calculations, and panel schedules. Sixthly, customer support and training. Evaluate the availability of customer support, tutorials, and training resources to address any questions or issues. Seventhly, scalability. Consider whether the software can accommodate future growth and more complex projects. Eighthly, integration capabilities. Explore the possibility of integrating the software with other tools, such as BIM software or project management systems. Ninthly, customization options. Ensure the software allows customization of templates, symbols, and reports to meet specific project requirements. Tenthly, cost effectiveness. Compare the pricing, licensing options, and maintenance fees of different software packages to find the best value for your budget. Also, examine user reviews and testimonials to get insights from other electrical professionals. Look into free trials or demo versions to test the software before purchasing. Many software vendors offer trial periods, allowing you to assess if the software meets your needs before committing to a purchase.